Ulabafetu. So if you've been listening to my videos, right, you know just how much I love the way Sipho Mbule plays football. He plays the game the right way. It's like an art to him, and he reminds me of Zinedine Zidane. I see glimpses of Sergio Busquets in him. And this guy, when he's a deep lying playmaker or a number 8, he will get you to the final third with ease. That's how much highly I rate this guy, to compare him with those greats. But there is one thing that I do not understand, and that is why Sipho Mbule doesn't take his level of fitness and physique to an elite level. And you cannot tell me it's because, oh, he's talented. No, he is sharing a changing room with the likes of Relebohile Mofokeng or Swina Police, who are equally talented. But I can tell you that those guys stay behind after team trainings to work on their craft, to master their craft. So what is stopping Sipho Mbule from doing the same? Awunokogqithwa ngabantwana when it comes to work ethic, when you are the senior player. I mean, as a number 8, a central midfielder, let me say, there's no one who can bench Mbule at Orlando Pirates. In fact, I would say in this country, a fit Sipho Mbule is one of the first names on the team sheet. So, as now, leave being a player just as a man, bruh. Where is your competitive edge to say, you know what, I cannot be benched by so and so, so let me put in the work? And I'm saying this because I have so much love for this guy. I believe that he should be playing overseas for a big team. That's how highly I rate him. And on top of that, you are wearing number 23. Michael Jordan, and you are playing with that number. If you knew what Michael Jordan represented, you would be serious, man, because what he's doing is a crime. He is robbing people of his talent. And talent without work is nothing, man. He just does not have the cat's mentality to fight, to work. And at this rate, his legacy after he retires, he will be telling us on podcasts that, you know, I was so great and this. Bro, show us now that you are great. Don't wait to tell a tale after you have retired. And I just hope that one day he wakes up, looks in the mirror, and is dedicated to his craft, blocks out the noise, and just works. He still has time, you know. And I just hope that he switches it on, man. We still need him for the Champions League, I believe. And I hope he can see this video from Mourinho.
I am 56 now, and yesterday I was 20, and today I'm 56. Time flies, and I think one day, you will regret if you don't reach what you can reach. There is a huge difference between a player that keeps consistency and a player that has moments. And that is what makes a difference between a top player and a player with the top potential. I'm not expecting you to be the man of the match every game. I'm not expecting you to score goals every game. I want just to tell you that I think you will regret. You should demand more from you. Not me demanding more from you. Not me. Nobody. You. I think you should demand more from me. Thank you, mate.